GMO'd squatters living rent-free in your brain as your anthropology's ontologic legacy. Getting back to the critters at the Petersburg National Battlefield Park. They are part of the sentient universe's ongoing joke about your anthropologic legacy of species accomplishment. In fact, it's been a galactic graffiti drive-by of disincarnate pranksters who've been adding their algorithmic 4+ dimensional narratives. For example, Macbeth, Act 5, Scene 5, from their free rented possession of our neuropsychologies that provided inspiration from Shakespeare to James Baldwin, just in the literature field, as well as in other fields of so-called accomplishments. We are the tools of these galactic 4+ dimensional graffiti artists, the true masters of what we sense as reality.